So we're starting inequalities in two variables. This is 9.4, which is the last section for chapter 9. And we will have a test on Wednesday. Yes. So what chapters? 7 and 9. Okay.
All right. So 7 and 9 on Wednesday. Yes, so it's due also. Due on 9.3 quiz? What's due? It's going to be due on Sunday. Yes. It's due on Sunday. No, today is Thursday. No, it wasn't. Yeah. Okay. So let's share the desktop. Okay, we have to finish 9.4 today. Yeah. All right. So let's start. Okay, guys. Okay, Alex. So 9.4 is inequalities in two variables. In two variables. Okay. So suppose I just want to chat a little bit before we start. 3x plus 2y is equals to 6. What does the graph look like? Yeah, this is, what is the shape, first of all? This is just a line, right? Now, what about if I say 3x plus 2y is greater than 6? What do you think is it? So this is an area bounded by the line 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. Okay? So, so when we do inequalities in two variables, then you need to shape. All right. Now, so let's write down the graph of ax plus by greater than c, or this can be greater than or greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, less than, is an area bounded by ax plus by equals to c. Okay? All right. So it's bounded by the line. Now, how do you do it? So steps to graph an inequality. This is in two variables. So number one. Write the inequality. Well, it's already written, actually. So this is the original inequality. To replace the inequality sign by an equal sign. All right. And then 3, graph the equation, graph the line. Use dotted line or dash line, maybe just dash, right? So use dash for less than or greater than. And then use solid line for less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. Okay? And then choose a test point. Usually it's 0, 0, the easiest one. The easiest one is 0, 0, which is any point, but it cannot be on the line. So any point not on the line. Okay. All right. What do you do with the test point? Yeah, test. So substitute the values, the x and y, to the original inequality. So what happens if it is true? So if true, then what? Shape the area which contains the test point. What about if false? Yes, shape the other side. Shape the other area. All right, so let's do the first one. So for example, graph number 1. 6x minus 2y is greater than or equal to 6. All right. Are you guys ready? Yes. Test point. This one? Yeah, this one is test point. So 6x minus 2y is greater than or equal to 6. All right, so what is the equation of the line? Yes, so this is the line that you're going to draw. This is the boundary. Okay. Now, will it be a solid line or a dashed line? Why solid? It has equal sign here. Yeah, okay. So, do we know how to graph 6x minus 2y equals 6? Yes, so we could use the intercept, right? Do you want to use the intercept? So, yeah, or you could say I could solve for y and then use the slope intercept. So x, how do you graph the intercept? When x is 0, we solve for y. When y is 0, we solve for x. When x is 0, what is y? When x is 0, this is gone. So negative 2y is equal to 6. So y is negative 3. When y is 0, what happens here? This is gone. Okay? 6x is equal to 6. So x is 1. All right. And we have to draw a solid line. So let's do that first. So 0, negative 3. Something it needs to be that big. All right. So it hits. So 1, 2, 3. So 0, negative 3 is right here. And then 1, 0 is right here. All right. And then I'm going to draw a line. Oh, you know, I can never move it correctly, so let me not use it. Let me just draw it using my hand. So it's supposed to be straight, so you can use your ruler or anything. I mean, don't do like me. Okay. So then we label this. This is the line 6x minus 2y equals to 6, right? Now, which one is greater than 6? So the next thing that we do is test point. Okay. Now the easiest one is 0, 0. But you have to make sure 0, 0 is not on the line. Is 0, 0 on the line? No. So what if the line passes through 0, 0? Then you choose a different one. 5, 0, 0, 10, whatever. No. So I could choose 0, 2 as long as the test point is not on the line. But you want to choose the easiest one, right? The easiest one is 0, 0. Now what do I do with my 0, 0? Plug it into which one? This one or the first one? To the original. Right? So you have to substitute it to the original. So when you substitute, what do you have? 0 minus 0 greater than or equal to 6. That's not right. This is false. So this is 0, 0 here. So we shade which one? The other side. Now, you use pencil, so you might want to do this. I'm going to use the highlighter. So you shade it like that. But I use highlighter, so I could shade it like this. Okay. So I still have cough. A little bit. All right. Yes, Alex.
When you take the test point, does it matter if it's on top of the line or below it?
It doesn't, as long as it's not on the line.
Okay.
And why did I choose 0, 0? Because it's the easiest. Yeah. But I could choose, for example, just say I'm not choosing 0, 0. Let's just say I choose 4, 0. So 4, 0 is here. Okay. So if I choose 4, 0 as my test point, see what happens. So when I substitute, I have 6 times 4, right? Minus 0 greater than or equal to 6. So 6 times 4 is what? 24 greater than 6, true or false? True. So since it is true, then I shade that point also. Yeah. So it doesn't matter which test point do I choose. Yeah? Okay. So let's do one more, and then we will do the system, each system of inequalities. Okay, let's do one more. Is it easy? Okay. Should we just do system right now? Meaning more than one inequality? Yeah, right away? Okay. Because you when you're doing the system, you do a lot also. Yeah, you do a lot of equalities. Graphing systems of inequality. So number one, y is less than x. Y is greater than negative x plus 1. So this is the first inequality. This is the second one. So let's graph y is less than x first. So 1, so we label as usual. 1 dot 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 y is less than x. Give me the equation of the line. Okay. Good. Solid or dashed? Okay. So when I graph it, it will be dashed. All right. So how do I graph y equals x? But do we use slope intercepts or what? You could use some points. Okay. So actually, this is, remember, this is slope intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. So what is my m here? What? What is my b? So this is y is equal to 1x plus 0, right? If I have y equals 1x plus 0, this is how I write it. I didn't write y equals 1x plus 0, but I write it as y equals to Does that make sense? Okay. So y equals x is dash. So slope is 1. Now, let's graph it first. So I have to give space for the other one also. All right. So I'm going to use 1 page per problem or system. So by the way, is everybody clear about slope equals 1, those things? Okay. Where do I start graphing? Yes, so 0, 0. So I start here. And the slope is 1, so what do? Go up 1, go to the right 1. Okay. So this is my line. So this is the line y equals x. So what I'm labeling is my line, y equals x. All right. Now, what about my test point? Can I choose 0, 0? No. So I have to choose a different one. Maybe 4, 0 or 5, 0. Where is 4, 0? Here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Okay. I cannot choose 0, 0 here because it's on the line. So if I choose 4, 0, which one is y? 0, right? So 0 is less than 4. Is it true or false? True. Yes. So here, I'm only going to shade the intersection. So I'm going to put an arrow here, meaning this is true. 4, 0, so this is the area that I choose. But I am not, what do I say? I wouldn't shade it at this point, yeah? Because I only shade the intersection. Are we okay so far? Yes? Continue? Okay. Second one. Y is greater than negative x plus 1. What is the equation of the line? Okay. All right. How am I going to graph it? The slope? What is my slope? Okay. Oh, by the way, this is dash or solid? Dash? Yeah. All right. So slope is negative 1. What is the y-intercept? 0, 1. All right. So what do I do? Start at 0, 1. And then? Go down 1 and to the right 1. All right, so this is the line. Okay, I have to graph it. Should be a straight line. And this, label this line. Y is equal to negative x plus 1. Okay. Now, I need to choose a test point for my blue line. 0, 0? Okay. Good. 0, 0 is not on the line of the blue line, right? 0, 0 is on the red line, but not on the blue line. So when I use 0, 0, what happens here? So y is 0 greater than 0 plus 1. So 0 is greater than 0 plus 1. Is it true or false? False. Okay, so So this is 0, 0 here. Which area do I shade? The right one. Okay. Now, which one is the intersection? So the rep one says, oh, it's this one. It's down here. Oh. Okay, hold on. The red one says it's down here. The blue one says, so which one is the intersection? This one right here? Yeah, okay, so that's what we're going to shade. So this part, right? Is it? So this is what we're shading. Easy? Not bad. Yeah, well, we do more. No, we're not done. Okay. All right, so we do more. We're not done. All right. Cool. And this is the area. Now, number 2. Are you guys ready? Yeah. So I think next test, let me see, is there any word problem? I think maybe from chapter 7. Did I discuss the word problem, Las Vegas convention attendees? No, I didn't. I could look at the notes where you have to find 2 points and then you have to find slopes. I think I did, right? That was chapter 7, 7.3. So those are the word problems on the next test. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, number 2. Now, I'd also like you to graph and find the coordinate of the vertices. So graph and find coordinates of the vertices. All right. So it is y is less than or equal to 2x minus 1. And then y is greater than or equal to negative 2x plus 1. And then x is less than or equal to 3. All right. You want to try it first? Yes? No? Too lazy? What time now? I think it's you can try it first, maybe 5 minutes. And then let me write down the next one. But I have to do it on a different page. You have to give space, okay? So this I will do it on a different page because it doesn't fit here. So 8x plus 5y is less than or equal to 40. And then x plus 2y is less than or equal to 8. And then x is greater than or equal to 0. Y is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So call this inequality 1, inequality 2, inequality 3. Okay, and then I'll try. You try it and I wait. There's something wrong with the Wi-Fi, right?
No, it's working.
It's working? How come mine is not? Turn it off. So for you, it's working?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Select faculty. Okay, now it's working. Oh, yeah, before I wasn't connected. Okay, good. Okay, so, alright, actually, should we discuss it now? You guys still want to do it? Did you do it now? Jesus, you didn't try? Why not? Really? Okay. You just don't want to do it, right? Okay, so y is less than or equal to 2x minus 1. Okay, Jesus, first step is find the line. What is the line? Equation of the line. That's right. That's correct. So how do I graph this y equals 2x minus 1? The slope is the coefficient of x, which is 2. And then the y coordinate is, y-intercept is? Okay. Then this line is solid or dashed? Okay. That's it, right? Now I'm graphing. I am graphing here. So this one I have to, the third problem, I have to do it on a different one. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, oh, this one's not good. The tick marks, you see? So make sure they're equally spaced. Alright. So, I start at 0, negative 1. Where is 0, negative 1? Here, right there. And then the slope is 2. What does it mean? Go up 2. Okay. And this is solid, right? Okay, you should use a ruler. I don't know if maybe I use my faculty card. See here. It works. And then solid, right? So I am just going to do this. Does it work? Yeah, it does. Sort of. And this is what line? Y equals 2x minus 1. Okay. So label this 0, negative 1, and then 1, 1. All right. Now, test point. Okay. So is it true or not? 0 is less than or equal to 0 minus 1. False? So which area am I shading? The right side. So this side. That's the area that I'm shading. Okay. Now the second one is y is greater than or equal to negative 2x plus 1. What is the equation of the line? Okay. So what is the slope? And the y-intercept? All right. So 0, 1 is here. So we go down to the right one. Oh, then I have to label this as what? 1, negative 1. Okay. So solid, right? Okay, I have to use this ID again. Oh, it doesn't work. Let's see. Does it work or no? Okay. This is the line y equals to negative 2x plus 1. Okay. Now, which area do I shade? So I choose a test point, 0, 0. Okay, good. Then what? With my test point. Is it true or false? So substitute here. So 0 is greater than or equal to 0 plus 1. True, false? False. So 0, 0 is false. So which area do I shade? Right one. All right. Good. Yes? Now the third one is x is less than or equal to 3. What is the equation of the line? Okay. Do we know what type of line x equals to 3 is? Vertical line? Horizontal line? Vertical line? Okay. So if you don't know, then you could say, oh, I don't remember. So let me just choose the number x. Oh, let me do x, y. So what does it say? X is equal to 3. It doesn't matter what y is. So 0 and 1. So 3, 0 is right here. So do you have to choose the points? Not really. If you remember, no. And then 3, 1 is right here. So this is your x equals to 3. And it's solid, right? You know, when I'm using this one, it's the line is not exactly on the point. Even though when I graph it here, it is. Anyway, it's okay. Now, which area do I choose? Oh, you have questions, Jenny? Straight line thing? Oh, okay. Oh, okay, so I choose this and then... So, okay. Oh, and then choose this. Choose this. Oh. Oh, okay. All right. Thank you, Johnny. Thank you. Yes. I was trying to have a green so it matches, but no. No, what I was just saying was this one, you know how I use my faculty ID card, and then it doesn't fall on exactly on the point. Even though for me it looks like it does fall exactly on the point. Yeah. Okay, so which one is less than 3? Do you need to choose a test point here or not? Test point here is optional, right? Because you know which one is less than 3. The one to the left. This is x equals 2, this is 3, 2, 1, 0. This is less than 3. So if your lines are special lines, vertical and horizontal, then you don't have to choose test point. I mean, it's optional. So just say you want to choose test point. What would you choose? But this is optional. So optional for vertical or horizontal line. Okay? That's optional. So test point is 0, 0. Okay, so what would you do? 0 is less than or equal to 3. True or false? True. Yes, so we shape this one. Now let me ask you, which ones are the intersections? Which ones are the area? So the red one says that one. The blue one says that way. The green one says the left. So it's this triangle? All right. Okay. Now, I need to find the coordinates of the vertices. Yes. Where they meet? Yes. Yes. So it's right here. It is right here. And it is right here. All right. So I have to label it A, B, C. It doesn't matter which one's A, which one's B, which one's C. So which one? This one? Let me label it A, and then B, C. Does it matter the label? No. But I just have to make sure that we all know the vertices, all those coordinates. Yeah. Yes.
To find the exact point, can we use substitution or anything?
Yeah. Or sometimes you could see it from the graph. Yeah. Yeah, the graph is too small. I know. Here, but here this is you can kind of know what is this? This is supposed to be what? This is supposed to be what? Half comma 0, right? Because you see how they look here. I mean, I didn't. That's why I said I was using my student ID. That's why it doesn't touch the exactly. But if it touches exactly here, it's actually, you could see this is half comma 0. Yeah. So this one, I don't think we need to check, right? Yeah. So vertices. All right. So which one do I know? A, it is half comma 0. All right. Now, how about B and C? So Brandon, put it on my desk or on that desk. So B, how do I find B? Any idea? So B, how do I find the vertices in B? Well, what do you know about B? X is 3, yeah. So you know that this is formed from the intersection of x equals 3 and what is this line? Oh, I already labeled this. This is y equals negative 2x plus y. So how do I find the intersection? Yeah, you just substitute. Yes. So in this case, when you substitute, what do you have? Y is negative 2 times 3 plus 1. So y is, yes. Okay. So what is your coordinate? X is 3, y is negative 5. So this is 3 comma negative 5. So this is 3 comma negative 5. A was half comma 0. Good. How about C? What two equations? Oh, actually, is this it? Yeah, this is, I think this is the wrong equation, the way I label it, right? The first one is y equals to 2x. Oh, when I write here, oh gosh, yes. This is the C. Yeah, so this is your C, right? Because The C is x equals 3 and negative 2x plus 1. So this is 3 comma negative 5. Yeah, I was just thinking too, why is it negative? Yeah. You are right. Yes. So that's your C. That's not your B. Yes. Now what about the B? There you go. Okay. So when x is 3, y is 5. Okay. So what's your coordinate? Yes. There you go. So B is 3,5. Doable? Yes, Johnny. You mean like this? Yes. So you have to know this line is a vertical line, right? And then when you have y equals to 5, for example, this is a horizontal line. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, it is. So your slope can look like this, and look like this, and then this is your, yeah, this is slanted, for example, and then this, yeah. So yeah, it is possible. Yeah. Yes, yes. So for the other ones, you definitely need test point also, right? Yeah. Okay, good. All right, so now let's do this on a different page, right? Number 3. Should we do it, or you want to try it first? Oh, you already did try it? Okay. So what was the equation? What is 8x plus 5y, is it?
Yeah. 8x plus 5y is less than or equal to 40.
Okay.
X plus 2y is less than or equal to 8.
And then greater than 0. Y is greater than 0. Thank you. All right. And then we have to find the coordinates of the vertices also. Yeah. Okay, good. So what are we trying to do here? So do the first one. 1, 2. Oh, this is 3. Dot, 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 3. Dot, 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 4. Yeah. Now, the first one is 8x plus 5y is less than or equal to 40. What is the equation of the line? Yes, good. So there are a few ways of doing this. You could solve for y and then use the slope intercept, or you could use graphing using intercepts. So which one do you want? Solve for y? Okay. So 5y is negative 8x plus 40. And then divide by 5. So y is equal to negative 8 over 5x plus 8. Okay, good. Solid or dash? Okay, let's draw it. Yeah. Maybe I eat my candy. Yes. Yes. Because you have less than or equal to. Then it is dash. Yeah. So you guys should get flu shots, right? Otherwise, you will suffer. Okay. All right. So let's see. So it is 8 So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So let's start with 8. What is the slope? Negative 8 over 5 and 0, 8. Okay. So 0, 8 is right here. And what am I supposed to do? So the slope is negative 8 over 5. So I go down 8 and go to the right 5. So this is 5, 0. And solid, right? Oh no. Hold on. What did I do? Can I undo? Control what? Scroll up, scroll down. No, it's very small now. Can you help me, Johnny? I don't know what I did. I don't know, because I put this one on.
Is it slow?
Yeah.
Okay, and hold control.
Control? Yeah. Hold it.
Okay. Take the hold control and mouse way up or down.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Johnny. You're my savior. Okay. All right. Thank you. So control and scroll up and down? Okay. Thank you. See, Johnny saved my day. All right. So this is 5, 0. Maybe let me just use my hand to draw a straight line, okay? So think of it as straight line, but you guys really have to draw it straight because you need to read the intersection, right? Okay, but I cannot. Otherwise, funny things happen here in the computer. So this is the first line. Let me label this. This is 8x plus 5y is equal to 40. Now, let's do test point. 0, 0. Is it true or false? So 0 plus 0 is less than or equal to 40. True? Okay. So this is true. So which area am I shading? To the left. Right. So all this area here. Right? Okay, so now what about the second one? X plus 2y is less than or equal to 8. So what is the line? X plus 2y is equal to 8. So you want to solve for y? Okay, so 2y is equal to negative x plus 8. So y is negative half x plus 4. Yes. So slope is negative half, 0, 4. Solid? Okay, so 0, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And what am I supposed to do? Go down 1, go to the right 2. So go down 1, go to the right 2. Go down 1, go to the right 2. Okay. So let's label this. This is 0, 4. If you go down 1, this is 3, 2. Okay. And then I will just draw the solid line through it. And I label my lines. The label is x plus 2y is equal to 8. Okay. So it's supposed to be straight. Yeah. Now what? Yes. Oh yeah, you're right. You are right. Thank you, Johnny. See, you saved the day again. So today is 2 times. So maybe next time you should go rollerblading to class, right? instead of taking a bus? Oh, okay. How far do you live? Oh, and usually you take the bus? Okay. Rollerblading is actually good exercise, right? But sometimes it's quite dangerous, right? Are you doing it on a big street, right? Oh gosh, yeah. You have to pick it up, yeah. No. That's too dangerous, yeah. Yeah, that's really dangerous, yeah. Yeah. You know, I used to ride bikes, but I live in Monterey Park, like hilly, so I never do it anymore. And I don't have a bike rack in my car, so it's harder. So it's just when I go to the beach, then I rent a bike, that's all. I don't know. Mountain bike? Yeah, I think so. Is that what they call mountain bike? Yes. That's not the best one, right? Supposedly. I don't know. When I rent a mountain bike, and I shouldn't rent a mountain bike. I should rent what bike? I should say some. A what? Road bike. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna tell them road bike. Because last time they gave me a mountain bike. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So Santa Monica Beach, Venice Beach, they have bike rental. I think Huntington Beach also, right? Yeah. I don't know Redondo. Yeah, Redondo has bike rental. I don't know. Maybe I didn't pay attention. Redondo Beach does have bike rental. Oh yeah, it is nice. Yeah. You know which one's nice? Which one's very pretty? Have you guys? I'm pretty sure you guys been to Laguna Beach, right? Very beautiful. Yeah. There's the park. I really like that park. But it's a little far from us, the farthest one. But Malibu is far too, so I don't know. Okay, so anyway, let's finish this. We have 10 minutes. We can finish. Let's all go to Malibu and do this in Malibu, right? All right. So now, test point. What's the test point? 0, 0? True, false? True. Oh, this one you can just see blah blah true, right? Okay. If you already know on your head, you don't have to write it. Yeah. Okay. But you have to make sure it's correct. So if you're sure it's correct, then you don't have to write it. So true, okay. Good. Now the next one is x is greater than or equal to 0. Oh, this is easy. What is the line? X equals 0. Which one is x equals 0? Is it vertical or horizontal? No, x equals 0 is vertical. Yes. So x equals 0 is actually the y-axis. So when x is equal to 0, it's the y-axis. Okay. Well, no, when x is 0, on the y-axis, the x is always 0, right? So it's y-axis. So this is the line x equals 0, and it's solid. Now, can you tell me which one is greater than 0 without doing a test point? So this is the line. So is it the right or the left? Okay. So do we need a test point here? Sure? You guys know why this is greater than 0? Well, yeah, because it is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why this area is x is greater than or equal to 0. Okay? Yeah or no? Okay. So for vertical or horizontal line, you do not necessarily pick a test point because it's really obvious. This is x equals 0. Which one is greater than 0? Well, of course, to the right. Right? Okay. So now the fourth one. Y is y is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so line is y equals 0. And then you think y equals 0. Where is y equals 0? This is horizontal. dxx. All right. So now this is y equals 0. Which one is greater than or equal to 0? The top or the bottom? Yes. All right. Good. Okay, so now which one is the intersection? So the red one says down, the blue one says down. To the right, quadrilateral? This one? Okay. This one? Okay. This is supposed to be straight, right? I mean, the way I graph it, not straight, but it's supposed to be straight. So what are my vertices? Oh, I know most of it. So these are all the vertices, and then this one, right? So do I know A? Okay. Do I know B? I'm just writing the name however I like it. Is it? Oh, B is 0, 4. Okay, you call this B? Okay. And then this is D, so C. C is the one that I have to figure out, right? What about D? 5, 0? All right. Now, which one do I have to figure out? C. How do I figure out what C is? Well, that's easy. What equations, what lines intersect and form C? X plus 2y equals 8. Okay. Then how do I find the intersection? So we have to use either elimination or substitution. Yes. Elimination? Multiply the top one by 8? Negative 8. Okay, so this is equation 1. This is equation 2. Remember that? So equation 1 multiply by 8 by negative 8. So negative 8x minus 16y is negative 64. And then just copy down the other one. So 8x plus 5y is 40. I think this is a fraction. So negative y, is it? No, negative 11y. Yes. So negative 11y is negative 24. So y is 24 over 11. All right. Yeah, it is a fraction. It's fine. Now, what about x? Yes. Do I have space here? Or maybe I cheat a little bit. I write this. So substitute y equals to 24 over 11 to equation 1. So when we substitute, what do we have? X plus 2 times 24 over 11. Yes. So x plus 48 over 11 is equal to 8. Do you want to clear or do you want to just bring it to the other side? Bring it to the other side and use the fraction. So x is 8 minus 48 over 11. So what would you do here? Fraction. How do we subtract? LCD? Okay, so what's the LCD? 11. So this is 1 times 11, 8 times 11, so 88 over 11. So 40 over 11, yes. So what is my vertex, C? Yes. Done. Finish. All right. Yes, no, maybe so? So you think you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're going to download the sample test from the website, right? I think it's the wrong one though. Yeah. No, from the website, myonlinemath.com. So I have to email you, okay? So I think my sample tests are separated. One is chapter 7, the other one chapter 9. So there are going to be 2. Yeah? Okay. So, all right. Huh? No, I don't. Yeah. Okay, so I am 3 minutes early, so you can go 3 minutes early today. Yeah? Okay, you have a good weekend.